Today I will trade using $100 per one deal, and I will do it live without editing, so you can see how it looks like in real life, and of course after that you can repeat it. Okay, at first we need to choose indicators. I like to use don't change channels, and now we can see where the price is going. From here I like to take one buy position, and after 8 seconds we will know I earn or I lose $100. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and as you can see I earn $92, so now I have on my balance almost $300. I started from $200. Okay, from here I like to take another buy, and now we will see where the price is going. 7, 6, 5. We take another buy exactly from this point. Okay, now we will see I earn or I lose $100. As you can see I earn another $92. From here I like to take another buy, and after 8 seconds we will know I earn or I lose $100. And as you can see I earn another $92. Okay, very good. From here I will take another buy, because I think that the price will go to this level, exactly to this level. That's why from here I like to take buy. Okay, and as you can see I earn another $92. So now I need to wait a little bit. Okay, and from here I will take another buy position. After 7 seconds we will know I earn or I lose $100. 4, 3, 2, 1, and as you can see I lose. That's why I take two positions buy exactly from this level. 7, 6, because I think that the price will go to this level, as I told you before. 3, 2, 1, and as you can see I earn $384. I already have on my balance $500. I started from $200. Okay, now we just need to wait a little bit. Okay, I lose, that's why I take two positions buy from here. Now I just need to wait. Okay, but price is going a little bit down, it's very sad. So I take two positions from here again. As you can see I have already on my balance $46, so I can easily lose. I can lose all my money, but as you can see now I earn. Okay, very good. So just need to wait a little bit more. So from here I will take another buy position. Okay, let's wait. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, but price is going down, so I take two positions up from this level, and I think that the price will go up. But if price is going down, I lose all my money, and this video is end. So guys, I lost $200 and I earn nothing. So I showed you how it looks like in real life. We can't always earn money. Sometimes you can lose all your balance.